Hi there, this is Anson Garcia, and today I'm going to show you some old stuff. So I was recently asked if our UCCaaS works with Windows 7, Office 2007, Microsoft Lync Client 2010, and the latest version of Cuci Lync 11.6. So I can report to you that everything works great. I don't see any problems at all. Let me go through the versions real quick to show you what we're running. So we have Microsoft Lync, the latest patches obviously applied, and there is the version. All right, we have Cisco Cuci Lync. Let me show you the version of that. 11.6, build 46207, and we have Office 2007 with the latest patches applied as well, and we have Windows 7 with the latest patches applied as well, and I'll just show you that. Let's see if we can bring that up real quick. Alright, so the integration that exists, you can look at my other videos as far as Cuci Lync integration with Microsoft Lync Client or Skype for Business clients, but I'll just go over some very basic stuff. I'm not going to go over presence or any bubbles or anything like that, just the interaction in the APIs that are working between them as far as calling. So just real quick, I want to show you the connection status on this, and particularly I'm going to point out the soft phone is not working. This is a virtual machine, and as of 11 something, if you run Cisco, any flavor of Cisco Jabber, including Cuci Lync, it thinks it's in a VXME environment, and the SIP phone won't register. So not to worry, I've tested this on a physical machine. I'm just doing the video on this virtual machine because it's easier, and everything works and all that. You just won't see the phone call. You know, everything else will work. But anyway, let's get on with it. So what are the different ways you can call? Here's a contact in my Lync 2010 client, and I can right mouse click and I can place a call. I can also start an instant WebEx meeting. Again, if you want to see the instant WebEx meeting, you can look at one of my other videos, and then I can click to place a call here. If I click that, it's not going to work, only because it's not registered here, but what that does is fire off the call window on Jabber. Again, you can see that in one of my other videos, and what that does is just make the call. Okay, so that's one way to do it. You can also hover over. If you hover over a contact, you have this menu right here, and you can place a call here or start an instant WebEx meeting as well. Okay, so obviously these are subscribed to the same LDAP server, so I can look up that particular person here, and I can make the call right from here also. Again, the SIP phone isn't registered here because of VXME. Okay, so that's two ways, or three ways. And then I can also click and drag into the dock window. You see how that is ready for me to drop that in, and that would make a call as well. Now, to see that dock window, you have to, I think it's on by default, but you have to, make sure you show dock window here. All right, let's see what else I want to. Oh, if I'm in a particular session with somebody, let's say I'm chatting away and I need to escalate to a call. Again, I hover over the contact, and I have this same menu right here to place a call or escalate that to a WebEx meeting. As far as the integration into Outlook, so let's turn our attention to Outlook 2007. Let me close that. I close that for a reason, because I'm going to show you that the conversation history was just kicked off and saved to my inbox server folder. Alright, so this is searchable and all that, just like the newer stuff. So that integration is also available here as well. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful to you. And one thing I didn't try that I just thought of, and let's do that now. Let's see if I can bring up Bill Turner. I'm going to pause the video and send an email, unless I have an email here from Bill Turner. And let me just look in my inbox here. There is a Bill Turner here. And what I'm looking for is a hover box, and it doesn't look like I have that particular option here that I have in the newer Office, where I can hover over a contact and then click to call within the Outlook client. So I don't see that there. If I find out anything different, I wasn't prepared to do that particular demo, but if I find out anything different, just go to this. Let me hover again, just make sure I don't get anything over here, and it doesn't look like I do. So it looks like that particular function isn't working, as opposed to the newer Office Outlook applications where they do have something similar to this pop-out window where we have this guy, here also. Okay, hopefully this has been helpful, and thanks for watching.